So guys, just real quick before we start, this video is about the Manfrotto padded tripod bag, and I have the model MBAG90PN, so enjoy.
So guys, maybe you remember in my last video gear reviews I was telling you about, I was making 2 reviews for you about really nice Manfrotto gear that I love so much for using for video. First I showed you the tripod, and second I showed you this really fancy fluid head over here. And what I'm going to do today is, because like obviously if you have like such nice video gear, the thing what you want to do is you want to carry it around. And for that I have a special unboxing for you today. So let's check this out. Of course guys, there are plenty of reviews out there, but maybe there's not a review yet for this. So obviously I bought the carrying bag on Amazon, and let's quickly just have a look inside. I mean, it came in this really massive package, and what I want to show you basically is this Manfrotto camera bag. And it says it's the Manfrotto tripod bag padded, and it's the 90 cm. So I'm just quickly gonna do an unboxing and see how this tripod fits in there, because I have a really big fluid head, and maybe some of you guys are also wondering, will that big, massive fluid head such as this even fit into the packaging? So let's check this out. So first of all, before I continue, I just have to say, like, I'm really happy with this video gear. I mean, when I made the reviews for the tripod and the fluid head, I was like a little bit new to all this stuff, but now that I've used it for quite some time, I found it's really excellent, especially for my product reviews. But I was also thinking of going outside and shooting some stock footage and maybe selling it on Shutterstock. I mean, that's like a really kind of cool thing to do. I mean, if you don't know about selling stuff on Shutterstock, you really should check it out. I mean, like, I know there's this guy who has like a drone. He just travels around the world shooting these aerial shots with the drone and selling the stuff on Shutterstock, and it seems he makes a really good living. So I don't have a drone, but I have some video gear. So let's get this bag going. Let's open this up. Like I said, I bought it on Amazon, and it came really nicely packaged. And I have a feeling that Manfrotto is also going to excel not only with this tripod and the fluid head, but also with the accompanying bag. So maybe I'm just going to give you a close-up shot right now. And yeah, I mean, the quality looks really good. Like it has like really solid carrying handle. And yeah, you can also put it on the shoulder. So like if I walk around outside with this thing and my camera and everything, like it maybe look a little bit awkward. And obviously it's not protected from the elements. So if there's some light rain or something going on. So I'd rather have that in a carrying bag and strap that over my shoulder than having this carrying around in my hand. So let's see whether this fits. And wow, maybe you can see this here. I'm sorry for the less than perfectly framed up shot. That looks really solid. I mean, this, how do you say in English? Oh my God, like I'm always have to managing multiple languages. The point is, like, it looks like a really good quality. And whoops, that is not in focus. So guys, I had to reframe the shot a little bit. One feature is like this, like where it gives you like a lot of room for the tripod head. And I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to open this up completely and put the tripod in. And then you see that it has this nice solid protection here. It's also very sturdy. And again, it has like this Manfrotto symbol, like kind of branding. So overall, I'm very good first impression, and it should prove to be very useful. So guys, let's open this nice little bag up and see whether this really fits inside. Because they have different sizes, so if you order that, you really need to pay attention not to buy one that's too big, nor should you buy one that's too small. And yeah, maybe, I mean, I'm really having like a little bit of trouble framing up the shot because this thing is so big. But there is some padding at the bottom as well. So overall, I think it fits very well. So what I'm simply just going to do is I'm going to close this up and show it to you again from the distance. And yeah, the padding is at the bottom as well. It's not, you cannot really see it that well, but it looks really, really nice. Really, really stylish. And like, I love the way Manfrotto has everything always like color coded like this. So guys, maybe I should apologize a little bit for this quick down and dirty review. It's not as polished as my reviews are usually, but I'm really excited and I kind of want to go outside and check this out. The bag makes a really good impression. There are even some compartments inside. I'm gonna show you maybe a picture here as well. See, you can open this up here as well. So overall, it is rather spacious and I liked it very much. They really have thought about the design, the way you can use that handle here and flip that around like so. So yeah, what's there not to like it about it? So the only thing really left to do is like to take this on a road a couple of times and then see how it performs. Actually interesting, it comes all the way from the back, comes to the front, and then goes around like so. And there's also like a zipper from the opposite side, so you can meet somewhere in the middle. Like I said, it has this carrying strap, so you can swing this over your shoulder and conveniently carry it around. And your high value professional video gear is really stored in this really nice bag. Yeah, so guys, for now this concludes the quick review. I think this is really exciting. I can now go on the road and yeah, maybe produce some awesome stock footage that you will be able to buy on shutterstock.com. Check this out, it's a great business opportunity. And other than that, now I can carry my video equipment around. And my first impression of this bag is super nice quality. Really nice padding on top, padding at the bottom. These massive zippers, very solid build. This very nice handle that you can unzip, so you can reach inside really easily and pull your tripod out of the bag, and as well as this accessory storage inside. So I see you in my next videos. Check out the other audio equipment or video equipment reviews. And I also started to do interviews with startup founders, so if you want to learn more about online business, you're welcome to check those out as well. And I see you on a subscriber on my channel, and maybe one day you even enroll in one of my online training courses. I wish you all the best and good luck, create your own success, and I see you in the next video. Take care.